Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Escape headlight assembly. First, let's gather our tools. You'll typically need a 10mm socket, a T30 Torx driver, and both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your vehicle's battery before you begin. Also, remember to wear protective gloves when handling new bulbs to avoid transferring oils, which can shorten their lifespan. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly. For many Ford Escape models, you'll need to partially remove the front bumper cover. Look for several push pins and 10mm bolts that secure the bumper. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender. This action reveals a crucial lower bolt that holds the headlight in place. Taking your time here will prevent any damage to the bumper or surrounding components, making the next steps much easier. With the bumper cover moved, you can now focus on the headlight unit itself. You'll typically find 3 main bolts securing the assembly. 2 are usually visible on top, and that third, often elusive, bolt is now accessible behind the bumper. Use your 10mm socket and T30 Torx driver for these. After removing the bolts, carefully disconnect the 2 electrical connectors at the back. Then, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward and out of its housing. Installing your new headlight assembly is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully slide the new unit into place, making sure all mounting points align perfectly. Reconnect the 2 electrical connectors, listening for a secure click. Then, reinstall the 3 bolts, tightening them firmly but without over-torquing. Finally, reattach the bumper cover, and once everything is back together, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm they are working correctly. Great job! You've successfully replaced your Ford Escape headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.